What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Well, today is going to be a two-part video. It is first going to be the Noble carbon fiber side mirrors, which is full replacement, beautiful, exceptional, awesome looking quality. Trust me, they look great. I already kind of took a peek at them, but I'm going to show you guys what they look like in this video. We're also going to install those today, and then the second part of the video we're going to be installing the Cusco front strut tower brace. So both of those are happening in this video. The next video you guys will see, got a special surprise. That's right, the new wheels, the new tires are here. So you guys will see that in the following video. Gonna go to Discount Tire and everything, and excuse me, get them installed. So got the Rex in the background, the vbwrx, you know, 23. Okay, got this in the background, and yeah, with that, let's get this video started. Skylyfe Projects, let's go. All right, well, finally got it on. The bottom was definitely giving me a problem, y'all. Like right here, this bottom clip, you have to get the top in first, then insert in the bottom. And right now, yeah, let me see if I can show you guys a close up. It's flush, so yeah. I'm gonna work on the driver's side now, but just wanted to show you guys the quality of the carbon on the Noble full replacement mirror caps. They are full clips. This is not adhesive. Okay, as you can see, there's nothing, there's no rattling, right? Nothing moving around. You know, Type R has a little bit of rattling, right? So these solid. Obviously they're not going anywhere. So all right, let's move on to the next side. All right guys, we're gonna do the next side here. Hopefully this one's a little easier. Okay, what the heck? Well, that one came off a lot easier. There it is. So, let's install the new one now. Get it up here a little bit more. There we go. Alright. Till I get back. stable. Come on. It's not going into the bottom again, God damn it. Alright guys, so finally got it on. Okay. It's nice and flush. Right? Back there, flush. It was honestly, this side was just an absolute pain in the ass to clip the bottom again on. Out of fitment, you guys, I would say honestly 8.25 out of 10. Is that a little harsh? Because the fitment, and you can clearly see that it's lined up, right? Let me see if I can get the camera down here. The fitment right here, you see this flap? This fucking flap doesn't push in all the way when all of this is lined up. As you can see, here's the groove, follow the groove, there it is. And then right here, follow the groove. Just like on the Type R, remember we did these? Well, this one is not very good fitment. It's not perfect fitment. I wouldn't say it's bad. I just wouldn't say it's very good. It's just good fitment to me. So, yeah. Other than that, what else we're gonna do today? Oh yeah, we got to install the Cusco strut bar. So, yeah. With that, love you guys. Much love and blessings. Be back in a bit. All right, y'all. So, next part of the video. Let me put the camera up a little bit. All right. Here's the box. This is the front brace strut bar from Cusco. Yes, it's the real Japanese, real Cusco, whatever you want to call it, strut bar, y'all. I am sorry, I am sweating. I am just, it is so hot in AZ right now. It's humid too, and we got a storm coming, so it's like, bro, what are you trying to do to me, Mother Nature? Okay, but as you guys can see, this is the strut bar, and I'm gonna take it out of its package. Wow, this is so beautiful. So basically, you guys, I got it sized up here, and I got to obviously remove the 1, 2, 3 each side, the strut bolts, the strut nuts, whatever you want to call them, and then we'll measure fitment. I left these kind of medium tight to loosey, so I might have to adjust more on the tension there, but yeah, give me a moment, let me grab the right tool. All right, y'all, got the drill. Just gonna take these off here. Came off relatively easy. I don't know how I feel about that one. Wasn't even on there hardly at all. Okay, maybe I can't reach that with this. Hold on. by the way, you guys, forgot to tell you, added that, the Noble intercooler WRX guard. Looks pretty cool. It literally took, there's no point of doing a video for it because I literally got it done in probably like, I'd say 3 minutes and 45 seconds, to be honest with you. It was super easy. All it is just 2 clamps, 1 clamp each side, you're done. Simple. So, all right, let me move to the next side. Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, bro. All right, you guys, everything is tight. This is the Cusco front strut bar install on my 23 WRX Limited. Also, shout out to Noble. I forgot to let you guys know, but added a little intercooler guard, and I think it looks pretty cool, right? It says WRX in red, cool. But yeah, that's the strut bar. And then we also installed today the Noble carbon fiber replacement mirror caps. These are not adhesive, these are full clip-ons, and they're literally full replacement, just like Type R. Type R, WRX. Type R, WRX. So yeah. All right, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button for me. Greatly appreciate it. Really helps out the channel. If you did like what you see in today's video, please leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see coming up for the channel. Give me suggestions, ideas, etc. And with that, much love, major blessings to everybody. You guys, I'm a sweaty mess right now, but yeah, I love you guys. Appreciate your support and everything like that. So with all that being said, always count your blessings, never give up in life, never hesitate for a damn thing. Always put your best foot forward. Live your life to the fullest the way you want to live. Don't let anybody else tell you how to live your life. This is Skylyfe Projects. Until another video, till another time, let's go.